in a galaxy far, far away. You've got yourself stranded in a spaceship without power. The Empire Force is on its way. Everything is dark, pitch black, and you can't see a thing. How can you find the backup generator without seeing an inch in front of you? Probably, most of us would say by touching the objects so that we can feel our way, right? And that's exactly how the most powerful modern microscopes work. They're able to observe structures and samples. They're so small, we can't see them, even down to atoms. These modern microscopes use a technique where a probe, like a needle, but 1,000 times smaller, goes around touching surfaces and generating images, such as this of a bacteria, even in 3D. This microscope's probe, when it touches the sample, it can sense the interaction force between them. Can we imagine it? A Jedi microscope. It can actually sense the force. Now, even though this microscope seems far-fetched, it has been around for more than 30 years. But one constraint remains. Commercial microscopes rely on one device to sense the force, and it is both bulk and expensive. My research aims to improve this equipment, and doing so by designing two tailored sensors made of a very special material that can measure simultaneously. So, it will sense the force, generate the image, and acquire other information as well, thus allowing for smaller, less expensive, and more accurate equipment. And because we can make the sensors smaller, we can fit more probes and see further, deeper, and better than ever. Improving this equipment can lead to great discoveries, from better understanding diseases to controlling nanobots and even discovering a new subatomic particle. Maybe the dark matter is not hiding somewhere on the dark side of the force, but rather just here underneath our very own eyes. And well, what does this all mean? It means that this Jedi will soon become a master. And may the Force be with you.